see success in designations only.
Absolutely. See, when you are
Most
successful,
majority of people, they do see success in designations only.
see, when you get success, everyone wants to have a selfie with you. And when you are nowhere, people don't want to even shake hand with you. So I have seen
Right.
this myself, and trust me, I'm telling you that the most important thing in life is to don't care what people think and say about you. Just throw them out
That's
of their
true.
life. They are no one.
Absolutely.
Small town people don't do well in life because they are so bothered by the influence of people around them, by telling them कि तू तो कुछ नहीं करेगा. So मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा था, लेकिन मुक्ति, to be honest, I can make this statement, आज तो कमाल की. So
Exactly.
you
We
asked
all
me,
proud of you. We all proud
you.
of you.
I'm humbled to say that, but why I'm telling you this, because you asked me what is the significance of this line to me.
And
So I've
also,
related this life, जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल. And when I see you in America, you are waking up at 1 o'clock night, dressed up in a sari. I understand that a lot of hard work is going on in your mind, and you are committed to a job. That is the reason you are doing this interaction. And I must also tell you that people from small town make it big also. But you have to leave that small town, not physically, but from mind.
but mentally,
But
exactly.
from mind.
Mentally, you need.
If you're mentally stuck in a small town, your thoughts and your dreams are going to be small. I have seen successful doctors, I have seen successful dietitians, I have seen successful engineers, I have seen successful army officers from small town of Kasauli. So why they are successful? Because they never try to engulf themselves with the mentality of small town. So this deep fake, which I later understood when I went to ISB Hyderabad for my studies, that this deep fake phrase is, it's very close to the people who don't want you to do well, because they have not reached anywhere in life. So they think you should definitely not reach anywhere. But a child of a small town, if he has a right direction and if his thinking is big, he will definitely do good in life. Whether it is Amit, whether it is Mukti, or whether it is anyone. So that's how I relate this.
What a motivational story. What a motivational story.
Thank you.
And of course, through this, our viewers or youngsters, they will also get a lesson that if they are not doing well at present, or they are in small cities, then there can be a light at the end of the tunnel. There
is always light. There is always a light. There is no darkness. Darkness is a mindset. So even when it is night, and you tell it yourself कि अंधेरा है, मुझे नहीं डरना, आप नहीं डरोगे, you will still find your light. But if you are engulfed mentally into darkness, you're not going to reach anywhere. To be honest with you, after my 10th standard, so as I said, I had no money. I have driven taxis. So once I took a passenger from Kasauli to Manali for a payment of 700 rupees. Trust me, for my pocket money, I have driven taxis.
My God.
After my +2, I have sold blankets in hotels of Shimla. So I have sold cigarettes for 5 weeks. So, sitting here and giving you an interview with this tie and blazer doesn't mean that I have not failed. So I had my own challenges, and 1,000 times I have failed. And that is the reason why I succeed today. So people from small towns should not think that this is a small job or this is a big job. Work is worship. And hard work is the only thing which can make you progress in life. There are no other shortcuts. People think that, to make money, they will bet on cricket, or they will put their bets on some other things which are not legal, and they will make money. I must tell you, all those people will one day lose money and they'll be nowhere in life. So it is very important that people should invest in their own self rather than investing on other things. And I did that. At a very small age, I did realize that investing in your own life through knowledge, through books, through grooming, through etiquettes, understanding is very important if you want to do well in life. So even after doing my odd jobs, which is like seen as very low jobs, I have enough of respect for myself that I did that and I learned a lot from them. And that is the reason today I can say, yes, I'm doing well in life, if not great in life.
No, you are doing great. Honestly, you are inspiration to million, including me.
Thank you.
And truly, whatever you have said, I truly relate to that. I belong to a small town too, and you know that our life was, and I also belong to a low middle class family. Mentality लोगों की और उनका negative influence, I have seen that thing too. आप लोगों को तो ये problem होती है ना मेल्स को कि वो लोग बोलते हैं कि ये क्या कर नहीं सकता कुछ. हम लोगों को लेडीज के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम होती है. आफ्टर +2 दे विल स्टार्ट आस्किंग अब तुम मैरिज कर लो. दे नीड टू गेट मैरिड ताकि उनके पेरेंट्स का एक जो वो बोझ समझते हैं वो कम हो जाएगा. लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी स्टोरीज एनीवे, बट नाउ time is changing, and I hope people will also change. And like you said, that we should not care about others. We need to focus on our abilities, and we need to continue to work on